Hey YouTube, what is poppin'? It's your boy Pablo Pips of X here at Forex for Beginners, and in this video we're just gonna go ahead and analyze our Hyper Forex signals group over on Telegram. It's just to see how our signals have been performing. So we've been sending out signals since the last 2 weeks, sometime around the 5th of this month, and it has just been fire profits in our groups, following our instructions and risk management guide provided. Alright, so in this video guys, we'll be analyzing just EURJPY. We're starting off with EURJPY, seeing that it was the first signal I've seen here sent out this Monday. So we're going to take a look at that. So right over here on TradingView, we can see that we have that chart pulled up, and right now we're analyzing the 16th. Alright, so our signal was generated right here where you see I have this rectangular box highlighted, these candlesticks highlighted, so the signal was generated here, and I was just taking a look as to how that performed. So let me go ahead and see if I can find, there it is, EURJPY, Monday. There we are. So that was on the 16th, and here we are as seen here on the graph. If you can see my little cursor, we're on the 16th here, and let's take a look as to what was sent out. So TP1 was at 139.293. So over in TradingView, we're going to go ahead and just to see if that actually hit TP1. It was a buy signal, so let's go ahead and check that out. So TP1 was 139.29. Alright, so TP1 was definitely smashed. Alright, breaking above levels 139.301 there, definitely breaking above that. The next take profit level was TP2 at 139.869. So let's go ahead and check TP2. Alright, so TP2 was obviously smashed all the way up to TP3 at 140.733. And there we are, TP3 was smashed though. That was one of the signals generated there in our Telegram channel. Right now the signals are totally free to get access to. The links for these will be in the description below guys. After the next 2 weeks, starting into February, as soon as we roll over into February there, it will be $20 there monthly, just $20, no biggie, and we send over 20 signals there a week. All right, totally profitable signals. As you can see, there's so many ways just to ensure that you lock in your profits using our signals. And like I said, there is a risk management guide provided in our group, so you can check that out, and following that you'll be sure to lock in your profits using our signals. Alright, so I've been a bit dormant on my channel just working on this for you guys, and I'm happy to actually just provide it to you and let you guys know that it is working, and members are actually checking out these signals and are cashing in, so don't miss out on this. Like I said, by the 31st of this month, the signals will become paid. There will be 1 and 2 signals being sent out, but it won't be the profitable as profitable as the ones being sent out, because you have multiple signals being sent out, and in the free group you'll have less signals being sent out, so you'll be missing out on the most profitable signals, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah guys, so in our next video we're going to go ahead and take a look at let's see what was the next right there. Alright, so in our next video we're going to go ahead and take a look at our US30 signal that was sent out on the very same Monday. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Alright, so 22 signals were sent out only on Monday guys, and this was only EURJPY. So check out our next video for our analysis on US30 on the 30-minute chart. Until next time, stay safe. I'll see you in the Telegram group.